Hello and welcome back to Gossip Funda. So, our topic for today is reverse music search. So, hello guys, my name is Pooja and you are watching Gossip Funda. So, let's not waste our time for it. Let's go. Apps that perform reverse music search are a blessing for music lovers. You are, of course, aware of the Google Voice search. You speak something to it, it records and captures your voice. Then it converts all of that into text and looks up for the text. You get a list of websites and other information returned regarding your query. Now, it is a bad idea to use the normal Google Voice search to look up for a song. It may not provide the correct information about the music all the time. Hence, there exist some apps or web apps especially designed for this purpose. Now, let us see which apps would allow you to do all of these. App 1. Music's Match. Music's Match player can detect the song if you feed it any segment of the song sample. It is powered by Grace Note. Firstly, it has a huge database of songs. This ensures that they never miss out on any song. It uses advanced AI technology to convert the song signal into small packets and match with the song in its database. Song details in different languages are stored in its library. Click on Open and then tap. Here, in few seconds you can find the song. App 2. Sound Hunt. Sound Hunt is smart enough to identify the music even if it's of poor quality or poorly hummed sound. Static noise in the background creates no bar between the app and returning the right sound detail. The greatest thing is that it can identify the song even by just its tune. Hence, you can tap on the mic button and whistle or hum the tune to it, and it would identify your song. Click on this and see, you can find your song. App 3. Midomi. Midomi is a reverse music search engine through which you can look up for a song on your PC. First, open your web browser and navigate to Midomi. Make sure you are having a working microphone and it's plugged in. Click on the song or hum button. After it is connected, you can start singing the tune of the song. Note that if Midomi doesn't have permission to access the microphone to record your voice, you need to allow access. Then release on the mic icon. This way, you can search for the songs or music details. App 4. Shazam. This is so far regarded to be the best app for identifying a song from a piece of music. It also seems to be the most popular or the most used ones among the people. This app has a bigger collection of music in its database as compared to other similar apps. Shazam has its name in identifying music in regional as well as international languages. You may get insights and filters based on genre. Tap on the icon in the center and see how easily you can identify the song. App 5. Google Assistant. How can Android user forget their best friend? Yes, it's Google Assistant. Google Assistant can act as a song identifier. If you hum the song after pressing the mic button, it has no limit of music in its database since it's Google. The information that you get includes the full song, YouTube, video link, Spotify, and other stores link, artist name, album name, and other metadata. First, click on Google Assistant and then say, "Find my song." Then play your song,
That's Slow
and
Down
after
by Chris
in
Linton.
few seconds you can identify your song. That's it, guys. There's a link of our website in the description box. Do check this out. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share this with your loved ones. And subscribe Gossip Funda.